Hello everyone, welcome back to the video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix Snapchat voice notes not working on iPhone. Are the voice notes not working on your iPhone? Problems with the voice notes on Snapchat can be related to the hardware of the device. So we recommend you check the microphone permission, and if that isn't enough to fix the issue, you can try other necessary means to troubleshoot the issue as well. So in this video I'll tell you how can you fix this, but first subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. For this, go to settings. Next, scroll down to the app section and find Snapchat and then tap on it. Next, tap on microphone toggle button if it is not already enabled, and you are done. Once you have allowed the microphone permission, feel free to record and send some voice notes from the Snapchat app. And the next step is clear out Snapchat cache. The next step is our solution to clear out the Snapchat cache on your iPhone. It's very easy to clean the Snapchat cache. For this, open the Snapchat app. In the top left corner of the Snapchat app, look whether you can find the Bitmoji icon in there. This will load up the Snapchat profile. Now on the right hand side, you will find the settings icon. Tap on it to open the settings page. On the Snapchat main settings page, scroll down until you reach the privacy controls tools. And then find the clear cache button and use that. Now you must close and relaunch the Snapchat app on your device. Do a trial run for this, like record and send a voice note to one of your friends. Do check if this has worked or not, and you are done. The next step is reinstall Snapchat app. Finally, if you have reached this far, that means other solutions have not worked. Try and uninstalling the Snapchat app and reinstalling the same. Find the Snapchat app on your phone. Once you found it, hold that and tap remove app. Then tap on delete app and then tap on delete again to confirm. Don't worry, none of your chats or messages will be gone in this process. After deleting your app, go back to App Store and then search for Snapchat and then reinstall it again. And after reinstallation, the next step are very simple. All you have to do is to log in your Snapchat account. Later you can send a demo voice note to one of your friends and you are done. I hope this video will help you to fix the issue of Snapchat voice notes not working on iPhone, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.